All right, so now we're on example D on page 439. What we're going to do here is we're going to use a word problem to write an equation. So the important part in a word problem is knowing what words make the numbers go where. So let's look at example 3 first so that we can understand this. An anglefish can grow to be 12 inches long. So that's it can equal 12. If an anglefish is 8.5 inches longer than a clownfish, how long is a clownfish? So we have 12 inches total for the anglefish. We know it is 8.5 inches longer than a clownfish. So if you would add the 8.5 inches to the clownfish's length, you would get 12. So to figure out the clownfish's length, we need to subtract 8.5 from both sides. And they do this and they get 3.5 inches is how long the clownfish is. So let's try that with letter D. Let's look at what numbers go where. The highest recorded temperature in Warsaw, Missouri is 118 degrees Fahrenheit. This is 158 greater than the city's lowest recorded temperature. So we're going to find the lowest recorded temperature. So the highest recorded temperature is 118. So we know it'll equal 118. This is 158 degrees greater than the city's lowest recorded temperature. So 158 plus the city's lowest recorded temperature would equal 118. So we're going to put 158 plus the lowest recorded temperature, and since it's a temperature, we're going to use T. So 118 equals 158 plus T. That is your equation that we're going to use. Now let's try to solve it. So 118 equals 158 plus T. We need to get T alone, so we're going to subtract 158 from both sides. The reason we're subtracting is because this is an addition sign. So to get rid of 158, we need to subtract. We need to do the opposite of addition, which is subtraction. So we're going to cross that out, and now T is all by his lonesome, right over here. And he equals 118 minus 158. So 118 minus 158 is negative 40. So the temperature, the city's lowest recorded temperature is negative 40 degrees Fahrenheit, because don't forget those labels right here.